Tang hapo khandiat banai bo uba HM Shangpliang ula Shangthait na kikam kumusakri sarkar ula rung haka jela san perthei bat penyaso yalade haka seng kongres bat ula yakun election na mausan ram constituency bat ra eka thong jingjob hadian ula mi no na kaseng kongres bat penyaso yalade haka seng all India Trinamool Congress AITC haka jingalam jangka Mamata Banerjee menteri rang ba ka West Bengal khandiat banai shwaban wan ke election 8,000 arphulai uni urang ba ula mi no nakaseng AITC bat ula yakun yakanik election nakaseng BJP bat ula ram. Menta ula rai ban mi no nakaseng BJP bat penyaso elade bat kaseng NPP kaban pediang dekhot EU haka khatlai tarik unai lur. Haka nyau tarik unai lur uba HM Shangpliang ula yathu hakilat pathai khubor ba ula rai ban mi no nakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party bat unait penyaso dekhot no bat kaseng National People's Party haka jingalam jung menteri rang ba Konrad ke sangma haka khatlai tarik unai lur. Hadian ba ula ram haka election hauram phang arjar arphulai nakaseng BJP ka sorkar MDA 2 kala thong ye u dangshen kumu advisor ya ka sorkar jung Konrad haka liang jung ka puli puthi ka kam ka baket ya kalengkor kumu cabinet minister. Uba Shangpliang ulaya ro ekikam jung ka sorkar MDA 1 bat 2 haka jingalam jung menteri rang ba Konrad ke sangma da ka baong ba kane ka sorkar kalawan ra shibun ki jingkala haka jela ki bayadei bat ka roi ka pa jung ki pat ba. Ulapan paru ya kajing benya bu ulami na kaseng BJP na kadaw ba kinong yalam kani kaseng kile sting bat kim shim khia ya ki rai bat kijing ajing mut jong u ki bayadei bat ka im kayap jong kajat benrio.
Madam, I need not specify any further about nepotism. I think today's Shillong Times headlines has hit and explained what nepotism was about. If Mr. Mauri had mentioned that there was a nepotism from my side, it was further more from his side, because his wife has already been appointed as the General Secretary of the Mahila Morcha. And furthermore, there are other friends who are very close to him who have been given assignments, and there are more people who are deserving who are outside. There are more people in the party who have sacrificed and who worked silently all throughout these years, and yet they are sidelined. I understand there was one mention of Mr. Mauri about my cousin brother being appointed as a Mandal president. I would like to clarify that. We resigned from the TMC en masse, and my cousin brother was already a block president under the TMC, and that resignation en masse came to the BJP, and accordingly he got that position again by virtue of entering the BJP, and that was notified by Mr. Mauri himself. It was not my doing. It was notified by the party president. If he had found that there was something wrong in it, then that kind of an appointment or notification should not have come out. So I would leave all these issues to be addressed by the party itself. Before I left the house, I have indicated the flaws in the house. Now it is up to the owner of the house to address the issues and straighten the house. I have nothing more to say because I have left the house.
Well, now what's next? Where are you planning to go? Are you joining NPP?
Well, yes, as you have seen in the news media around, I am planning to join the NPP, and the scheduled date for entering, for being inducted in the NPP is on the 13th of September at 2 p.m. in the state NPP headquarter office.
Are you contesting?
Joining the NPP, I have seen the leadership of Mr. Konrad Sangma. In this 5 years of government, 5 years of chief ministership, Mr. Konrad Sangma has brought drastic change in the state of Meghalaya. There has been a lot of development. We could see development coming, and we could see more to come. And therefore, I thought that NPP is the only party of the state that perhaps could provide the people of the state the sense of security, the sense of development, and a future for the people of Meghalaya.
Were you promised with
No,
MP election?
I am joining the NPP without any conditions. I'm making it very clear to you.
Are you looking forward to contest Lok Sabha election?
Once I join the NPP, I will be a member of the party, and whatever the high command of the party finds me fit with a responsibility, I'm ready to shoulder that.
But will you apply for the ticket?
Kam dan jingper la se wa kiti bujli ni form kiti mo bang na wei uju bitar re atli hiwan piladi kem ta to kadang yang dei duna pi wa pi ha ke jinglam ta ka BJP
Kamdon jing duna ha ka party ngan ong da ka basyai ba ngam I don jing duna ha ka party BJP ka jing duna ka don ha kinong yalam jong ka BJP hapo Meghalaya na de tangkata ngam kwa bang kren benia iki ngala patay ha ka city ka banga air bang resign mga ikidaw bangami na ka party ndre ngang kren na ka basyai ngam lap ka jing duna ne ka jing baklah ka party ndre ka jing duna ka don ha kinong yalam jong ka party hapo ka state.
kamut na katip ni sa tembi fi point ta ni ono
Okay. Yeah.
Coming to the common candidate issue you raised with the state party president, according to him,
Sorry?
You wanted the party president Maori to raise common candidate issue with the MDA leadership. Is it true or just a
Yeah, I need to clarify that. I need to clarify on that issue. I have never discussed Lok Sabha elections with Mr. Maori. I have never even asked for a ticket, nor was there any discussions about some common candidate or something, which I have also seen in the YouTube, which he had mentioned. I need to clarify on that point because one fine morning I saw the headlines in the newspaper mentioning my name as a probable candidate of the Lok Sabha from the BJP party. Immediately I called up Mr. Dipayan Chakrabarti, who is the vice president of the state BJP, and I said, how is it, without my knowledge, that my name has come out in the press about being an MP candidate? Then the answer that I got was that we do not have any probable candidate or person except you, so that's why we thought we will nominate your name. So if they have discussed among themselves, I have nothing to say on that.